Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy VOO in Fidelity. First, you will need a Fidelity brokerage account. Opening one is a straightforward process that typically takes only a few minutes online. You'll provide some basic personal details, including your social security number and current address. Fidelity offers various account types, so select the one that aligns with your investment objectives, whether it's a standard brokerage account or a retirement account. Once your account is open, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link your existing bank account to your Fidelity brokerage account. This allows for seamless electronic fund transfers. Simply initiate a transfer, deciding how much you wish to invest. While the transfer might take 1 to 3 business days to fully process, you can often begin trading with a portion of the funds almost immediately. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy VOO. Log into your Fidelity account and find the trade section. In the search bar, type VOO, which is the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Once you find it, specify the number of shares you wish to purchase. You will then select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your order, including the ticker symbol, the number of shares, and the order type. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction to complete your purchase of VOO. You can then monitor your account to see your newly acquired shares reflected in your portfolio. For long-term growth, consider setting up automatic investments to regularly add to your VOO holdings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.